And now we're going to use our AR technology to track against this particular machine. It found the engine. And here's where we get into the inspection procedure. So this is step one. It's asking me to check that the fuel pipe connector is tightly connected. And the AR wayfinder is guiding me to the right location on the engine. Here's where you see step check come into play. It recognized that the fuel pipe connector is definitely tightly connected, and it gives me that green check mark to know that we're all good. Step 2 says check that the paint protection cap on the air compressor is correctly installed. As I get in closer here, you can see I'm getting a different result this time. A red X is telling me that something is wrong, but I don't know exactly what I'm supposed to do to fix the situation. But the procedure was authored with additional information that I can click on to see how this should be done. With that information, I now know what I need to fix. You can see as I do that, step check is telling me that now I have the step correct and that I can move on to the next step. And this is where it gets interesting because it's on the other side of the engine. The wayfinder is guiding me around to the other side. As I get closer, it's even telling me what the correct angle is to look at where I need to be focusing my attention for this step. Again, we see the step check red X telling me that there's an issue. To find out more information, I'm going to look at the included images to help me out. I see here that this is the pin that I'm supposed to be looking for, and that's where it should be located. If I go back again and look at the machine, now I can definitely see that the pin is missing. Now, I don't know what to do to solve this problem, so I'm going to mark this step as failed, but I'm going to provide additional information to record why this step failed. To do that, I click on this button here, and now I have a couple options. First, I'm going to take a photo so that I can record this situation. Hit the button there to take this picture, so I'm clearly documenting that the pin is missing. Click down on that, the picture looks good, so I'm going to just add in a little comment to explain why I failed this step, and I'm going to say no pin found. Hit add, and again, marking this step as failed. I'm now done. I'm going to hit complete session. Now that we've completed the procedure, I get a summary review page that I can see all of the steps, which ones I completed, and which ones were marked as pass and fail. After reviewing them and everything looks good, I can hit the submit button. Once the procedure is submitted, it saves information such as when it was completed, who did it, and the serial number of the machine that it was executed against.